In the ever-evolving world of digital photography, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 stands as a beacon for aspiring photographers and enthusiasts alike, seeking to dip their toes into the vast ocean of DSLR photography without breaking the bank. Today, we dive deep into the nitty-gritty of this popular entry-level DSLR, scrutinizing its features, performance, pros and cons, and finally, pitting it against its market rivals to see how it truly fares in the competitive landscape of digital imaging. Canon has long been recognized for its contributions to photography, and the EOS Rebel T7, also known as the EOS 2000D in certain regions, is no exception. This camera is designed for those who are ready to step up from smartphone shots or compact cameras, offering a user-friendly interface, excellent image quality, and a gateway to the expansive world of interchangeable lenses. Right off the bat, the Rebel T7 sets itself apart with its 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, providing users with high-resolution images rich in detail and color. This sensor size is a standard among entry-level DSLRs, offering a balance between image quality and cost-effectiveness. When it comes to shooting performance, the Rebel T7 offers a modest but adequate 3 frames per second continuous shooting speed, making it suitable for casual shooting scenarios, but perhaps less so for action and sports photography, where split-second timing is crucial. The autofocus system, featuring a 9-point AF with a center cross-type AF point, while not the fastest or the most advanced, delivers reliable performance in good lighting conditions. However, it struggles slightly in lower light settings, a common trade-off in cameras at this price point. The EOS Rebel T7 shines in its ease of use, particularly for beginners. The camera's Scene Intelligent Auto Mode, a staple in Canon's EOS lineup, makes capturing impressive photos almost effortless, intelligently adjusting the settings based on the scene being photographed. Moreover, the inclusion of feature guides and a variety of creative filters further enhances the user experience, making photography not just accessible but also fun for newbies. In terms of video capabilities, the Rebel T7 records in Full HD 1080p at 30 FPS. While it lacks the 4K capability of some of its pricier counterparts, for many beginners and hobbyists, 1080p is more than sufficient for creating high-quality content for social media or personal projects. The built-in Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity are a boon, allowing for the seamless sharing of images and remote camera control through Canon's Camera Connect app, an indispensable feature in today's connected world. Battery life is another strength of the Rebel T7, with a camera capable of delivering around 500 shots per charge, ensuring that photographers can shoot throughout the day without worrying about running out of juice. This is a significant advantage over many mirrorless counterparts, which often fall short in this area due to their smaller form factors and electronic viewfinders. Now let's talk about the cons. The Rebel T7, while excellent in many respects, is not without its shortcomings. The lack of a vari-angle touchscreen, for example, means users have to rely on the optical viewfinder or the fixed 3-inch LCD screen for framing shots, which can be limiting in creative compositions or when shooting videos. Furthermore, the dated 9-point autofocus system, though reliable, doesn't offer the flexibility or speed of the dual-pixel CMOS AF found in more advanced models like the Canon EOS Rebel T7i. Comparatively, when pitted against its closest competitors such as the Nikon D3500 or the Sony a6000, the Rebel T7 holds its ground well in terms of image quality and user experience. The Nikon D3500, another entry-level DSLR, offers a similar feature set, but edges out the Rebel T7 slightly with its more ergonomic design and slightly superior battery life. On the other hand, the Sony a6000, a mirrorless option, provides faster autofocus and superior video capabilities thanks to its 4K recording, at the cost of lower battery life and a higher price point. So, who should opt for the Canon EOS Rebel T7? It is tailor-made for beginners and hobbyists who prioritize image quality and ease of use over cutting-edge features, or those making the leap from smartphone photography to their first DSLR. Its straightforward design, coupled with Canon's vast ecosystem of lenses and accessories, offers a comprehensive introduction to photography that can grow with the user. Ultimately, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 embodies the essence of entry-level DSLRs, a gateway to more advanced photography, offering a balance of performance, quality, and affordability. While it may not lead the pack in any singular aspect when compared to its contemporaries, its strengths lie in its consistency and the solid foundation it lays for budding photographers. In conclusion, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 is a testament to Canon's commitment to quality and accessibility in photography. It is not a camera without flaws, but but its strengths make it a worthy contender for anyone looking to embark on their photographic journey. As we wrap up this detailed exploration, it becomes clear that while newer and more advanced cameras continue to flood the market, the Rebel T7 remains a timeless entry point into the world of DSLR photography, holding its own against the competition and securing its place as a beloved tool in the photographer's kit.